Transitioning from class 10th to class 11th is indeed a very important time point, not only in the life of students but as well as parents. So, selecting a right stream becomes really important. So, what should be done in case you are indecisive? What should be the key criteria that you should take into account before selecting a stream? So, one very important thing that you need to understand is class 11th is a great transition from class 10th. Till class 10, the level of concepts are elementary, and class 11th, specifically for sciences, witnesses a sudden change. We have seen the students getting low on scores from class 10 transitioning to class 11 significantly, and that is marked by a huge amount of pressure built, which is either because of the fear of numericals or because of the fear of mathematics, or unable to cope up with the subject in the way it is designed, right? So very important decision that parents need to take at this stage. Now, what should be the key criteria that you should keep in mind? One, very important is talk to your child, understand what your child actually wants to do in life. Another important thing is you as a parent are the best judge. So try to figure out the strength and the weakness that your child has and accordingly help them select the stream. The second important thing is do your own research. Understand what could be the possible areas that your child can explore, and this would again vary from child to child. Let's say your child is performing really good, then you can think about medical and engineering. But if your child is average or borderline, you would also need to explore other options that you might ask your child to think about, and that should be done at the very beginning itself. This third important thing that you need to take into account is the personality trait of your child. Is your child an extrovert or an introvert personality? Good at maths, good at science, good at humanities, good at writing? So all those things would actually figure out once you are considering the right selection for your child. Again, there is a common mental setup that there is no future besides science and maths. But if your child is not good at science and maths, dragging them towards science and maths would simply spoil not only their career but their complete life. So understand that whatever decision you take should be very judicious in light of the viewpoint of your child and ensuring that your child remains happy and is able to earn a decent living with that profession. Now, the next important thing is it's important that the child can actually pick a subject, pick a stream, take around 1 or 2 months to decide and then finalize. So you can actually provide reference books, reference material. A lot of them is available online. NCERTs for 11th and 12th, nearly all subjects are available online for free at their official website. So it's a good idea not to take a decision in a hurry and to let the child go through the books, explore the content and see if they would be able to understand, comprehend and cover that content. It's important again to understand that starting your college after your 12th, the lot of content that the child would go through would be based on self-study. So if that habit gets engrossed starting from 11th and 12th, it would be very beneficial for the results of your child. So not just blindly going into coaching institutes, not just having a blind mindset that I want my child to be a doctor, to be an engineer. It's very important that let them decide and give them a chance to actually finalize. This could take a while. This could take 15 days to 1 month to 2 months. But yes, of course, you would have to put a cap somewhere that this is the point by which we want a final decision, right? So that finalization should ultimately come from a mutual agreement between the parent and the child. The next thing is, how can you help your child make a quicker decision? So there are 3 things that we would recommend. One is starting early. So as soon as your class 10th examinations are over, you can help your child expose to various disciplines, various future career paths, and then let them decide or delve into some of the material, books, text, and get a clear picture what they really want to be. The second is to be very patient with the child, because this is not something that could be done in a rush. Stream selection is something that the child would remain with throughout the life. So it's better that child takes their own decision and not a forced decision of the parent. And the third important thing is, either ways, whether the child takes the subject that you want them to take or they take a subject of their own choice, be supportive. So it's important that that support would help your child thrive through difficult circumstances that they would face during their 11th and 12th, because of course these are the years where a student undergo definitely high amount of stress, and supporting them is none the other duty but the duty of the parent. So those are some of the important things that we have discussed. We'll be covering important sessions like these in the future. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining in.